Greetings friends, welcome to today's problem sums video tutorial where we discuss an actual problem sums from one of the schools in Singapore. But before that, I have a quote to share with you. There is no elevator to success, you have to take the stairs. So what does this mean? There is no elevator to success. There is no shortcuts that we can take to achieve our dreams, to achieve our goals. There are strategies, there are techniques, there are methods, but we have to put in the work, we have to put in the efforts consistently in order to get to somewhere better for ourselves. Alright, so there is no elevator to success, you have to take the stairs. All it means is, yes, you are given the knowledge, the concepts, strategies when you go to school, when you go to tuition classes and all, but how do we use it? Do we use it regularly? Do we practice? Do we put in the efforts? Alright, only when we do that, when we put in consistent efforts, only then can we achieve massive success, and definitely you can also get to your dreams as well. Okay, now this question, primary 4 question from Catholic High School. I believe it was 2019 end of year exams. The following figure is formed by 4 identical shaded rectangles. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one is here. Alright, and an unshaded square. The square is right in the middle. The area of the unshaded square is 49 square cm. Find the total area of the 4 shaded rectangles. Now to do this, alright, we have to focus on this square here. So we need to ask ourselves, for the square, right, length and breadth is exactly the same. Alright, so and the area of the square is length times breadth. So what times what is 49? That is the question we must ask ourselves. Alright, so it's actually 7 by 7, right? You need to be good in your times table as well to be able to do this quickly. Alright, of course, to get 7 cm, we can also do this step. Square root of 49. We still get 7 cm. Okay, either way is fine. So what does this tell us? This tells us that, hey, this side here is 7 cm. Okay, let me use the yellow color, it's better. Alright, so over here, from here to here, 7 centimeters. So same thing over here as well in the breadth, but 7 cm also. So the question is, what is the area of the 4 shaded rectangles? Now to do this, we can find the area of just one of the rectangle first. If that is 7 cm, put 7 cm on all 4 sides of the square. And you will realize something. That this section here, yes, it is 7 cm. But if you plus this, which we know as 2 cm, you actually get the length of one rectangle. So 7 plus 2. 9 centimeter. So where's 9 centimeter? Is actually this section here. Alright, and the breadth of this rectangle is the same as this 2 cm, right? So over here is 2. Because, how do I know it's the same? Because they said that all the 4 rectangles are the same. Alright, so if this is 2, over here is 2, over here is going to be 2 as well. All this small breadth will be 2. So what we have is 2 cm as the width of the rectangle and 9 cm as the length of it. So the area of one rectangle can be found. Length times breadth, so 9 times 2, 18 square cm, and we actually have 4 of these rectangles. So we take 18 multiplied by 4. Okay, 72 square cm. Okay, so for this, if you're MP4, no calculators allowed, so you got to do the calculation at the side here. 18 times 4, 32, so 31 times 4 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 72. Alright, so go ahead, pause this video, try this question out again, and that is how, my friends, we can really improve in our studies. Thank you so much.